Ah, the cars. So the luxury cars such as the Rolls-Royce and the Bentley. Yes, very beautiful cars. The Rolls-Royce company was known for manufacturing aircraft engines to perfection and made luxury cars. The Bentley is now costs $300,000 US. Very beautiful car. You can have, if you're very rich, you can have a chauffeur-driven Bentley or a car. Any car can be chauffeur-driven. Chauffeur in French means driver. So we use that word in English too. Chauffeur-driven car. The Aston Martin that is also, that many of you know too, is also a luxury sports car. It's been around since the 1960s. And also the British Mini, which is a trendy little car, and a lot of people like Minis in London because it can get in and out of the small winding streets and you can park very easily. As you know, parking is always a problem, a headache, and especially in London. So in Seoul, a lot of people have big cars, and I always wonder, oh, how do they park? It's not easy to find parking spaces when you have a big car. They're very beautiful and of course safer than a smaller car, but parking is a problem. So many British people like minis, if just for their city life. Of course, if they have enough money, they might have two cars and a bigger car when they want to travel around the country. The Brits drink a lot of tea. 9 cups of tea per person. Yes, that's true. I don't, but when I was in England, it seemed like there was always tea around. They do drink a lot of tea. It's their comfort drink. And in England, it's drunk with milk, maybe sugar too. Sugar is, people are not using as much sugar these days like they did in the past. They used to put 2 spoonfuls of sugar in their tea. But mostly people will drink it with milk, not black. So usually tea with milk. And people are different. People sometimes put the little bit of milk first and then the tea, or the tea and then the milk after. But anyway, it will always be served with milk. And here it's in a mug, and we looked with the Union Jack, if you remember, the word for the British flag, the Union Jack. A lot of people use mugs these days, but as I mentioned earlier, in an earlier video, some more traditional people think, no, we only can have tea in a porcelain cup. Very elegant drinking the tea like this. But a mug is very convenient and bigger, so you can drink more tea. Black tea, called English breakfast tea, is what is used. And then, as I've just said, we put some milk in it too. Earl Grey tea is a slightly perfumed tea. I like it very much. Also, they put a little bit of milk in it. You can also put a slice of lemon. I like Earl Grey tea very much. Kind of a perfumed tea. Maybe some of you have tried it. There's another tea that I like too, but not easy to find in Korea, and it's called Lapsang Souchong tea, which is a smoky pine needle flavored tea. It sounds a little strange, but actually I like it very much, especially for breakfast time.